everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. Today I want to introduce the Great American Recipe Tour. I have chosen some fantastic recipes from 6 popular states. Today we're in California and cooking perfectly smoked chicken wings. These are the most satisfying chicken wings you have ever eaten. The wings are different, combining a tasty smokehouse flavor with an extra crispy skin. The recipe is a blend of some of my favorite restaurants, including Papa's Chicken in LA and the Underground BBQ in Walnut Creek. Well, I have all my things ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get smoking. Okay, so our wings are thawed. They are washed because they have like a permaglaze stuff on them. And then I dried them with a paper towel really good. So all my wings are washed and dried. This is our baking powder and our seasoning. I told you this was simple. Pork. A bowl to mix them in and a little bit of salt. I have prepared my racks. My racks are all ready. I just lightly sprayed them with a non-stick spray. And this is all we do. There we have our wings ready, and I will see you out at the smoker in just a few. All right, our wings are done, and they're so crispy. Oh, I love it. Okay, so now we can, actually they're ready to eat, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my homemade wing sauce and toss them before I get them plated and ready to eat. So I will be back here in just a moment. Wings are out of the smoker and they smell amazing. Just make sure that when you are pulling them out, make sure that your temperature is up so that your wings are totally cooked. If you pull them out and they aren't, you can just FYI, you can just put them on a cookie sheet, on a piece of foil. Make sure you spray it with some non-stick and put them in the oven and finish cooking them in the oven if you'd like, or you can just leave them in the smoker and continue to smoke them until you're satisfied with the doneness of your wings. But they're amazing. I am so glad I learned how to make these because I love wings. So, thank you for joining us today on the Happiest Cook. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And like I always say, let's get smoking.